Guys, are you still waiting for no deposit bonus? So here today I'm going to tell you that how you can get 70 to $100 from this broker as a no deposit bonus. So this broker is providing almost $100 no deposit bonus in 2025. So here I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can get $100 or $70 maybe from this broker. Okay, so very first you have to come to this broker. I will give the link of this broker in the description. You have to go and click on that. Once you click, you'll come to this page. Here you have to click on a sign up. Once you click on a sign up, this page will come up in front of you. Here what you have to do, here you have to put your number, whatever the country you belong, you have to put your country code and your number, and then you have to click on a send. Here send. Once you click on a send, you will receive a verification code on your WhatsApp. Remember the number you have to give here, that should have WhatsApp number as well. So once you click on your WhatsApp, you'll get verification code. You have to copy that code and you have to paste over here, and here you have to put your password. That should be 8 to 24 words. Okay, then your account will be created. Then what you have to do, you have to first click on these three dots, and you have to click on desktop side. If you will not click on desktop side, they will tell you to download our application. So here you have to check. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the trading, start trading here. Once you click here, as you know that you already have created the account, now you have to log in your account. I'm gonna log in my account. Just wait for a while. As you can see that I have used my number over here and my password. Now I'm gonna click on a login. Once you click on a login, you'll go to the dashboard area, and there I'll tell you that how you can get no deposit bonus. Here you can see that they are telling open an account. This is a live account. If you not click here, you'll not get no deposit bonus. First I'm gonna tell you that how you can get that no deposit bonus. You have to come to this section and you have to click on a promotion. Once you click on a promotion, then these things are coming in front of you. You can get $20, $10 and $50. Here you can see that $50 they are providing till 21/4/25. So here $50 they are giving, $20 they are giving, $10 and $10. Overall you can count that how much income is this. Okay, so here you can click here we are gonna click. Once you click here, they will tell you that put your email and your email verification code. Then you will have to do the agreement, and then you will get no deposit bonus here. So if you wanna get this one, so once you click here, all these things you have to do. All right, so I want all of you to come to this broker and get no deposit bonus from this broker. Thanks for watching this video. I'll give the link of this broker in the description below.